Alright, so I'm guessing this is the power button right here. So I'm going to go ahead and push it and see what happens. Whoa.
Hello, I am number 3 Robocop. I have super sense ability, able to sense your special orders. I can dance as well.
Whoa. Okay, bro, don't dance. You're still connected to the... Oh, man, he's just randomly dancing, guys.
Okay, stop.
If tired, you can also listen to music.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy
Okay,
and you know it,
okay, I'm going to push the stop button because he's going crazy.
if you're happy.
Oh, we stopped him. Oh, man, he's all tangled in the cord. Okay, so we pushed the stop button. Let's see, what can we do here? Can we go up and... Oh, whoa. Okay, so I'm pushing the forward. He actually moves. Machine language, song.
Singing is always my hobby.
Okay, so song means he's gonna... Wait, let's see. So it's a bunch of kids' songs. You're about to drive off the table. I wonder if he sees the wall with that sensor.
Oh, he probably does.
He might do. Okay, guys, so yeah, he's pretty interesting. What is good habit? Let's try.
Good habits about learning. 1. Review.
Oh, he's stuck. Oh, wait.
3.
He's sensitive.
Love to ask questions. 4. Correct the mistakes timely. 5. Query data. 6. Write carefully. Do you know we should be studying hard and got kids?
He's crazy. Yeah, let's see if we can use gestures. Good idea. See if we can call him. Other way. No, it's this way, bro. What in the world? Oh, there we go. You gotta go slow. Watch. You gotta go in front of him, then do this.
Okay, let me try.
And then this to make him go back. Go slow. There we go. We figured it out, guys. So this is making him go back. And to call him, you just do this. Come on, buddy. To your death.
Try to put him in the carpet and see if he does it.
Oh, yeah. Put him on the carpet. Can he handle carpet? That's the question. All right. Marcus is going to call the robot. Go ahead, Marky. So, yeah. Looks like he does carpet just fine. There you go. So you got to go away from him. So yeah, he takes little short steps. Push him back. Let's see if he can dance on the carpet or something like that, yeah? That would be interesting.
Hello, I am number 3 Robocop. I have super sense ability, able to sense your special orders. I can dance as well.
He's like playing techno music. Dance music.
If tired, you can also listen to music.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Alright guys, so we kind of figured a couple things out. This side control, because I was wondering why there's two. So one of them, he acts like a walking style robot. The other one, he just kind of glides around. So if I go forward here, you can see he'll start walking kind of like a robot with his feet. It's kind of cute the way he walks. And the same way he'll walk backwards too. And when he like turns around, he kind of does that same thing too. It's kind of cute. So, but this other side here, he just kind of just glides, as you can see. So So the walking one is definitely cool. Let's push the memo button and see what happens.
Let's dance just for fun.
So I guess he wants to dance just for fun. Get away from here, bro. He doesn't see my foot, I guess. He's not in that mode. Okay, man. You're getting close to me. The world, dude. Okay, so every time you want him to do something else, you just push stop. Or whatever if you want to just stop him. Like he came right to me. It's just kind of weird. Let's push the science popularization. See what he says now.
Master, let me tell you some interesting popular sciences. Master, do you know what a universe is? Universe is a general name of works of God. It has neither boundary nor bottom, while having no beginning or end.
Yeah, this buddy's pretty interesting. I think this little guy would be great for like smaller kids. Yeah, Marky? Like I'm sure you can have some fun a little bit with him, but I think smaller kids would appreciate it more, yeah? I would say like 4 or 5 year olds would love this thing like crazy.